Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Much better, much better. I want to start off by saying all praise be to Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, the most powerful. It's only Him we worship, only Him we bow down to, and only Him we turn to when we're in need. And also like to send peace and blessings upon our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. My dear respected brothers and sisters, yeah, right now I'm going to speak on behalf of the brothers. On a serious note, bro, if you can't respect each other, if you can't put your pride and your arrogance aside, and if you feel like you can't control yourself, bro, the door's over there. Allah don't need you to be here. I don't need you to be here, bro. Every single one of you could get up and walk away. That don't mean nothing to me, bro. We come here together under the one banner of La ilaha illallah. We put our differences aside. Brothers, mashallah, tabarakallah, we're big men, bro. And we're making mad noise in the masjid. Don't get me wrong. It's a good thing that a lot of the youth are here. But when it's time to pray, bro, you give respect to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He comes first. Over your mother, your father, your brothers, your sisters, your girlfriend that you got laying around somewhere, I don't care. But you'll put your differences aside because Allahu Akbar is about to begin.